What if you never had to brush your teeth again? What if an army of tiny nanorobots could do it for you? Welcome to a future where dental hygiene could be revolutionized by the power of micro-robotics. A team of brilliant researchers from the University of Pennsylvania has been developing these oral nanorobots. What makes them truly unique is their ability to morph and adapt, reaching those tricky nooks and crannies in your mouth where traditional dental tools simply can't reach. This is not a mere concept, but a reality in the making. The researchers have already observed these nanorobots successfully identifying and eliminating harmful bacteria in both artificial and real teeth. So not only could these nanorobots spare you the tedious task of brushing and flossing, but they could also save you from frequent trips to the dentist. Just imagine, no more worries about missing a spot while brushing or flossing. The future of dental hygiene is indeed exciting. Now you must be wondering, how do these tiny nanorobots work? Well, the secret lies primarily in their composition. These nanorobots are made predominantly of iron oxide. Why iron oxide, you ask? It's because this material allows them to be shaped and controlled magnetically. That's right, these little bots are highly adaptable to the unique landscape of your mouth, all thanks to the magnetic magic of iron oxide. Now imagine the nanorobots as a versatile army. At one moment, they can transform into a brush-like structure. Just like that, they become your very own miniature toothbrushes, sweeping away plaque and dirt from the surface of your teeth. This way, they're ensuring you don't end up with cavities, but the magic doesn't stop there. These nanorobots can also reshape and navigate to clean between your teeth, accomplishing the job more efficiently than dental floss. They're not just cleaning, they're preventing potential oral health issues like periodontitis. And if you think that's impressive, there's more. The close contact these nanorobots have with your teeth and gums acts as a catalyst. This triggers the release of microdoses of bacteria-killing substances right there in your mouth. It's like having a tiny army of superheroes in there, protecting your gums from disease. So, you see, these nanorobots are quite the game changers. They're not just cleaning your teeth and gums, they're actively protecting them. They're sweeping away plaque, they're reaching into the hard-to-reach places, and they're releasing substances that help kill bacteria. And all this while, they're adapting, reshaping and working tirelessly in the unique environment of your mouth. No tooth is too crooked, no gap too narrow for them. They're there, working round the clock, ensuring your oral health is as good as it can be. So, the next time you think about brushing your teeth, remember these nanorobots. They're not just cleaners, they're warriors in the fight against oral disease. They're protectors of your oral health. The introduction of these nanorobots could be a game changer. This technology has the potential to seriously disrupt the toothbrush industry, a domain that has seen little significant transformation barring the advent of electric variants over the last half a millennium. The conventional concept of a mouthbrush on a stick may soon be obsolete, replaced by these minute, magnetic, field-guided tooth-cleaning marvels. What's truly groundbreaking is their ability to adapt to every unique set of teeth globally. Imagine a personalized army of nanorobots tirelessly working to keep your pearly whites in pristine condition, cleaning, diagnosing, and treating oral diseases, all without you having to lift a finger. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a radical shift, a leap into the future of dental hygiene. So, brace yourselves as we stand on the brink of a new era. It's not just a revolution, it's an evolution in dental hygiene. So, what's next for these tiny dental warriors? These researchers from the University of Pennsylvania aren't stopping at just creating these micro-marvels. They've got their sights set on more extensive comparisons with the current techniques. We're talking about electric toothbrushes, ultrasound treatments, and all the other tools we use to keep our pearly whites, well, pearly and white. They also plan to focus on the fine art of control. Imagine being able to dictate the exact pressure these nanorobots apply on our teeth and gums. No more wincing at the dentist's heavy hand or the too hard bristles of a new toothbrush. These nanorobots could deliver the perfect clean every time, tailored to your unique chompers. Indeed, the future of dental hygiene might not require any manual labor on our part. Just sit back, relax, and let these tiny nanorobots do their thing. To put it simply, the future of dental hygiene might just be in the hands of these tiny nanorobots.